Hi, I'm Becca Winkler, founder of Wings Creative, and on this channel you're going to find marketing tips, tricks, inspiration, and so much more. And today we're going to talk about the top 3 things you need to do to get your business ready for 2021.
Dress me up, cause we're smile, perfect lines, perfect color. You're all I know, there's no other.
New year means new opportunities, and it's the perfect way to start getting organized and getting motivated for the next year to come. It's a good way to also reflect back on everything that happened in the past year and really look and see what you can do to improve and to get that success you've always been looking for. So that's why we're going to talk about the top 3 steps to get you ready for 2021. Number 1, reflect back on the past year. Really create a designated time to sit down and reflect back on everything that's happened this year. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Reflect back on everything that you're proud of, everything that you've accomplished, and reflect back on things that you wish you did differently and things that failed. That way you can see really truly in light everything that's happened this year for your business and prepare for the right next steps for 2021. Number 2, write goals. After you set some time aside and really reflect on everything that's happened this past year, sit down and think about everything you want to accomplish in 2021. Write down every single goal you want to achieve. Think about what you want to do this year. Think about how it works for your 5-year plan, your 10-year plan. Really write out everything you want to accomplish and achieve this next year. Then once you do that, pick 3 of your top accomplishments and write them out as SMART goals. What are SMART goals, you may ask? Well, they're goals that are S, specific, M, measurable, A, achievable, R, results, and T, time-based. By writing out goals with the SMART formula, you're able to write out how exactly you're going to achieve them, how they fit into your business, and you're able to actually see how your goals will come to life and how you can actually achieve them. And then once you write out all your goals and write them out with the SMART formula, what you can do then is print them out, put them somewhere where you can look at them every single day to get you motivated and on the right track to achieve those goals. Number 3, content calendar. Once you reflect back on the year and write out the goals for 2021, your next big thing you need to do is create a content calendar where you're able to lay out every single month ahead and plan out big events, big promotions, big releases, anything, so you can kind of see the year at a glance. Lucky for you though, you don't have to create that. I'll provide you exactly what I use to plan for 2021. You're going to be able to download the PDF version that you can print out if you're a printer out person, or you can get the digital version, which is a Google Sheet, and you can input that as you go. The great thing about this is you can save your time about creating your own content calendar and simply use the one that I provide. In addition to kind of explain about the content calendar, it goes from Monday to Sunday because I am someone who likes to think of the week that way, start my week off on a Monday and then on a Sunday. Most calendars are Sunday to Saturday, and so if you're someone who likes Monday to Sunday, this is the calendar for you. And by laying it out this way, you're able to see an overview, everything you want to accomplish this year, everything that you're planning, and everything that you're going to plan. So are you ready for 2021? Hopefully with these 3 steps, you're able to get your business ready for a successful year ahead. By reflecting back on the past year, you're able to see everything you've already accomplished and everything that you want to accomplish in the coming year. And by writing out the goals, you're able to see exactly how you're going to achieve those things you want to accomplish. By laying out the content calendar, you're going to be able to see all the exciting things you have planned for this upcoming year and everything that you want to release and everything you want to promote. And hopefully with this, you're able to start off that 2021 on the right foot, motivated and ready to go. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe and follow Wings Creative on all social channels for more marketing tips and tricks. And I look forward to seeing you on another day.
Dress me up.